Yo, what's up? This is the Batman of Inglewood signing in. Um, Before I start this video, and this video is going to be about headlights, I'm going to do a shout out to my guy, Batman of Spokane, and my guy from New York. My guys out there, these companies like Lately and stuff like that, they're selling these bikes, you know, the enduro bikes or whatnot. They used to have really nice wide angle lenses, but now they put a really crappy light on there, you know. So it comes out like a square, and it's direct and it's centered. It's only about that big, and it's just terrible looking. So you know, it does no justice. But anyways, what you want to do is you want to ask them to make sure they put the wide angle lens on there, and then that way you'll get something like this. This was what was on my older bat bike that I kind of decommissioned. Matter of fact, let me turn this light on. I decommissioned this bike. Oh man, you guys can't see this. Let me turn this light on. There we go. So I decommissioned this one for the moment, because this is the newer one right here. Okay, anyways, let me go ahead and turn this light on for you so you can see what the wide angle looks like. And this was on my older bike. I snatched it out and put it on my new one last night. See? So that's the lower wide angle lens. That's super wide. When it's on the street at night, it's as wide as around 3 car lanes. Okay, it's maybe more than that. It all depends on how you angle it. And then it has the high beam. The high beam is a smaller but still wide angle. Boom. That shit it's a bad motherfucker right there. I don't know what the hell these fucking companies was thinking about when they switched to that bullshit that they put on there now. But yeah, this right here, asked them for the older model. I don't know what it's called. I've been searching for them on Alibaba and AliExpress. You cannot find them. The easiest way to get it is from the bike manufacturers. You just tell them get either wide angle headlight that has 2 modes on it. So that's the first mode, low beam. It's a low beam, wide, super wide angle, but it's not that much of a low beam as far as how the brightness or the lumens. And then the high beam is a little bit higher, and I guess the way it's angled and the power output, but it's just a little bit shorter but still wide. Boom, and there you go. Well, yeah, go to your manufacturers and ask them to send this light to you, because that other shit is not working, man. Imagine having, again, one little square and it's like boom, 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 boom. It's terrible. So, all right, peace out. Batman of Inglewood signing out. And to my peeps out there, please subscribe and give a like. Thank you.